welcome. In this tutorial I will show you something very interesting that I recently worked on. Now it's a personal problem that I solved using Python. So basically what happened is that I lost my wallet, and in it I had my credit cards and other cards with it. So whenever there is whenever they bill the credit card, they send you a PDF. For my case, it's from Bragbank, and they send me the PDF with password on with it. The password is basically the card number. So I had to get into that PDF, but I didn't had all the digits I needed for the credit card. So I figured out few of them, and okay, let's dive into the code that I use. So here's the PDF that requires a password to get into. So currently I don't have the password. So there is a breaker.py. So this py file will hack this PDF, basically finding out what's the code. So I'll show you the amount of code I have. So from this PDF I have first 4 digit and last 4 digit, and there is more 8 digit that's kind of I cannot seem to find, but using my papers that had 4 more digits. So let's open the sublime text and let's bring this file line. So here, see it's only 50 lines of code, and it's literally does the thing for you. So I don't know why I use TQDM here. Did I use TQDM? Yeah, okay. So look at this. This is the 4 digit from the PDF. This 4 digit I found from the file I had, like the paper, and I couldn't find more 4 digits. So here I have to add more 4 digits. So the way it works is PickPDF is a library that helps me to open a PDF file with password, and I'm just looping through some permutation and combination of 4 digits. So itertools helps here. Itertools product range 10, 0 to 9, and repeat 4 times. So that will give me the 4 digit that I need here, from in here. So I join this 4 digit, and that makes the 16 digit password that I need to get in. So here's how it works. So if I run this project or run this file, python breaker.py, so it runs through it, and then finally it reveals the password. So basically I have 12 digits, and it figures out the rest of the middle 4 digit that I need to find. And here it is, this code, and it's I kind of found it online and I modified it for my purpose. So this is very cool thing that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you want to if you get into trouble getting into a PDF file and you need to generate a password, you can do it like this. So for me it was 0 to 10, but you can give any any list of characters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, whatever, and it will do the permutation and combination. And repeat means that it will generate only 4 character out of this list. Or if you give much more repeat, for example, if I give 16 repeat, then it will generate 16 digit password for me. So that's how it works, and yeah, that's about it. It's a small one, but it's really nice and really helpful. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye, take care.